Welcome to Essential Computer Repairs with Tony West. Today we're going to fix a Dell desktop that's running rather slowly. We're also going to fit a new disk drive that doesn't quite fit as securely and flush as it should. Also going to improve ventilation around the processor. A lot of people will tell you that you need some very specialised tools, but this is simply not true. Here is my selection of tools that I think work best of all. So now we're going to make the incision. Simples. Okay, the disk drive is slightly too long to fit into the casing, so we've got to make it a bit smaller. So I'm going to draw a line across here. We're going to put it into the vise like so. Now we need to turn over and do the other side. Unfortunately, a CD has been left inside, which is probably going to render it useless. Okay, a little bit more cutting I think is needed. Okay, still recording?
Still recording.
Okay, this little piece has dropped out, but it probably isn't very important, so I really wouldn't worry about that. Okay, and now you'll see that the drive fits really superbly, nice and flush. Down here. Now we simply reassemble the panels to our trusty Dell and voila, a fully serviced Dell desktop with hyperventilation. Thank you for watching Essential Computer Maintenance with Tony West.